Thanks for joining us again on the YouTube channel at Garagistic. So today we're going to talk about a very popular E30 part, the E30 X-Brace. Now this thing is basically just one of the best things you can do as far as making your E30 just less flex and a little bit more rigid. So this ties up as a very good supporting modification to the front strut bar. It basically does what the front strut bar does, except does it on the bottom and a lot more mounting points. So when they're used together, definitely a great item. And there is some pros and cons, and we'll go over both of them for both of these to see if it is basically the proper modification for your application. Basically, this X-Brace bolts up with some basic hand tools. In the front, these two bolts right here, these are going through your front subframe into your steering rack. So the same bolts that hold your steering rack hold on the X-Brace. And in the back, the same items, basically the same bolts that go through your lollipops, your control arm mounting the lollipops, go through the X-Brace. So the modification is fully reversible, and it can, if at any point you end up not needing it anymore or something, or you just take it off for servicing, in the case that you got to take off the oil pan, you'll be able to do that with minimal modifications. This item does hang a little bit lower on most cars with coilovers that are severely lowered, and these things can touch things in the road. The reason they hang so low is because it had to clear aftermarket sway bars. Now we do include two spacers in the front that you can choose not to use in case you need more ground clearance, but if you're running bigger sway bars from other companies, you're going to probably need to run those. That's one of those things when you put it in your car, you'll know just by running the movement of your sway bar and actually seeing if it touches anywhere. For more information on this item, please click on the link below. Thanks.